Hello, children. This is Manish Yadav, your English teacher, and this video session is for students of class 11th. In this video, we are going to discuss about 30 multiple choice questions for the chapter Discovering Tut. This saga continues. As we have discussed the explanation of this chapter and summary as well, I have uploaded two videos regarding the explanation of whole chapter and another video for summary of this chapter. In this third video, we would discuss about 30 MCQs. So, without getting delayed, I'll let you know the MCQs one by one. First, who was Tutankhamun? So, four options have been given. First option, that is a geologist, and second, that is a scientist, and Egypt Egyptian king, and a historian. So the correct answer has been ticked already. This is C, an Egyptian king. Now the second question, that is when did Tut die? So first option, when he was a teenager, and this is the correct answer. When he was a teenager. Let you know the third one. Who discovered Touchstone and when? Uh, Options: Adam Cooper in 1901, Howard Carter in 1922, Howard Carter in 1930, Sam Shah in 1890. So, as we have studied in the chapter, it is option number B, Howard Carter in 1922. Now, the fourth one is when was Tut's body taken for CT scan after being found? Four options. First, after a year, after 80 years, after 50 years, after 30 years. So, according to the summary as we have read out, that is after 80 years. This is the correct answer, B, option number B. Now the next, that is for how many years did Amenhotep III rule Egypt? 5 years first option, 20 years second, 10 years third, and 40 years fourth. So 40 years would be the correct answer. Next, who promoted the worship of Aten, the sun disk? So Amenhotep IV. This is the correct answer. First, that is Tutankhamun, Amenhotep III, Amenhotep IV, none of the above. But as we have known, Amenhotep promoted the worship of Aten, and he added this word, and changed his name Akhenaten. So C, option number C would be the correct. Next, that is what name did Amenhotep IV change to? Recently I told you. So I think students must be enjoying the video, and they would be paying attention for what I say. First option for this question is Amarna, Atul second, and third option, that is Akhenaten, and the Amenhotep III. So as I told you, when he started and promoted the worship of Aten, he changed his name Akhenaten. Now, the next question, that is eighth. For how many years did Tutankhamun rule Egypt? Tutankhamun, uh, the main character of this chapter, King Tut, whose dead body was discovered after 80 years, and he ruled over Egypt for 9 years, as it has been given in the chapter. So it is very clear, 9, 11 to 5. 9 would be the correct answer. Now, question number 9, that is what was found with Tutankhamun's body? Gold. B. Egyptian gold coin. C. Nothing as such. D. Gold wealth, bronze razor, games, clothes, cases of food and wine. So, I think option number D is correct, as we have seen these things in the book. So, this is correct. D. Gold wealth, bronze razor, games, clothes, cases of food and wine as well. Now, the question number 10. How would you describe Tut's tomb? First option, gold plated rock cut wall paintings with gold plate. The rock cut 26 feet underground, which had wall paintings. So, as you could see, D option number D has been ticked already. So, it would be the correct answer. Now, 11. What was in the first coffin? Uh, First option, garlands of olives, lotus petals, and cornflowers. B. Flowers and coins. C. Gold, wealth, bronze, razor, games, clothes, case of food and wine. It was empty. First option has been ticked already, garlands of olives, lotus petals, and cornflowers. Question number 12. Why did the third coffin put Carter in trouble? It was empty. This is first option. And second, the resins used to cement to the bottom of solid gold coffin, which was hardened enough. C, option C, the material found inside was already looted. And D, none of the above. But B, option number B is correct. The resins used to cement to the bottom of the solid gold coffin, which was hardened enough. That made the Carter in trouble. Now, the 13. How did Carter remove the resins? As I have told you, resins, it is a kind of a sticky material which is pasted to harden something. The first option, with the help of chisel and hammer, with the help of chemicals, with the help of machinery, and with the help of manpower. So, as they tried to keep the dead body into the sunshine in the temperature of 149 degree Fahrenheit, but nothing happened. Finally, they broke the dead body with the help of chisel and a hammer. So, as we have read out in the chapter, the first option is the correct. 14. How did Carter cut the body of Tut? First option, that is first head and then every limb, first leg and then head, first legs, head and then limbs, limb, hand only. The first option, that is first head and then every limb, it would be the correct answer. 15. What did Carter and his men do after cutting down his body? They sent it for x-ray. They examined them very carefully. They placed it on the layer of sand in a wooden box. They clicked photographs. Option number C, it has been ticked. They placed it on the layer of sand to arrange and in a wooden box. So it would be the correct answer. When was a mummy examined in X-ray by the anatomy professor? In 1968. This option has been ticked. Question number 17. What facts were revealed when the mummy was x-rayed in 1968? His several oppositions were missing, um, and his hip bone was missing. His breastbone and front rib were missing. His feet bone was missing. So two bones were missing out of his body. That one was breastbone and front rib. So the third option, that is C, would be correct. 18. When was Tut's body taken for CT scan in the 21st century? First option, that is January 5. You know, 5, 5th January 2005, January 10, 2007, June 9, 2001, and February 12th, 2009. So January 5th, okay, 2005. First option would be correct. Now question number 19. What does CT scan stand for? Computed. The full form of CT scan: computed tomography scan, car topology, computer technology. So computer technology, this is last, and computed tomography scan, it would be the correct option because it has been ticked already. So we have covered up to 19 multiple choice questions yet, and I hope every student is would be enjoying the video with the unique informations about the chapter, and these MCQs will help you a lot to understand the summary as well as chapters idea and stories as well. Now the next, how did the workman lift the body for the scan? Through the stairs, on a hydraulic trailer, through sliding, through lift. So B, second option, that is on a hydraulic trailer. It would be correct. Why did the procedure stop in between? What was the reason due to the procedure stop in between? First option, as a spare fan stopped working, as the light went off, as the lift broke in, none of the above. First option would be the correct option, and as spare fan stopped working, that is why the procedure stopped in between. Now 22. When was Tut's body taken back his term of the CT scan? So after 3 hours, it would be the correct option. After a day, after 3 hours, after 12 hours, and after 5 hours. So 3 hours would be correct. 23. What is the cemetery of Tut called? Valley of the King, Tut's resting place, rest in peace, Valley of the Flowers. So as we have studied Valley of the King, nobody can, you know, rest his body with platinum, aluminum, or silver. So gold will be correct option. Now the next is 27. When did Tut die? First option, 22,000 years ago, more than 3,300 years ago, and 10,000 years ago, and 16,000 years ago. So B, second option will be correct. Now that is 28. What was Tut Levis to eat? Gold, silver, flowers, lots of jewels. C. Glittering goods, precious colors, inlaid necklace and bracelets, rings, amulets, and ceremonial aprons, sandals, seeds for his fingers, and toes, all of pure gold. This would be the correct option because we can memorize what we have read out already. And the last option, that is expensive perfume. This is incorrect. Question number 28. C. Third option would be correct. Now the next is 29. How has archaeology changed through the decades? Focuses more on treasure, focuses more on physical findings, focuses on time factors more, focusing less on treasure and more on the fascinating details of the life and mysteries of death. Last option D. This is correct. Now the last multiple choice question of this video, that is, who is Osiris? God of nature, god of afterlife, god of seasons, and the god of universe. So second option, that is god of afterlife. This option would be correct for this question. So here we have finished 30 multiple choice questions for this chapter, discovering Tut. The saga continues, and these collections of multiple choice questions would be enough and suffice for all the children if a single multiple choice question is given in the question paper out of this chapter. So you can easily find it out of these MCQs. So in this collection of multiple choice questions, I have possibly, you know, covered all the multiple choice questions out of the chapter. So it is better to go through my video session and keep learning.